Hello and welcome. The way to Rasina Hill is gaining momentum. While the UPA is firmly voicing for Pranab Mukherjee and the Trinamool Congress supporting APJ Abdul Kalam, tribal candidate P.A. Sangma is going strong on his decision to contest the presidential elections. We update you on all the growing tension within the next half an hour as you're watching News Tonight with me, Linda Hercules. But first, as usual, it's the top headlines. Senior BJP leader Ram Jethmalani jumps into the presidential race, says he will contest against Pranab Mukherjee. After the UPA nominates Pranab Mukherjee for the post of president, the focus is shifted to the NDA. Will the NDA have an option? Subramanian Swamy meets Kalam, who says he will not contest the presidential polls. In her debut post on social networking website Facebook, Mamata Banerjee pitches for Kalam as president. A smarting Trinamool now tells the Congress they are free to quit the alliance in Bengal. Meanwhile, tribal presidential candidate P.A. Sangma is adamant on contesting despite his party not supporting him. Two sisters are found dehydrated and starving who had locked themselves up in their own home for over 6 months. And the Indian Olympic Association has seeks a report from the All India Tennis Association regarding the selection of the doubles team for the London Olympics. BJP leader Ram Jethmalani has launched himself in the race to the Rasina Hill. Opposing Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee's candidature, Jethmalani has said that he will fight and expose the truth. The Rajya Sabha MP from Rajasthan stated that he might lose but will still contest the presidential polls, adding that though Pranab was a friend, he opposed his candidature as he hasn't revealed names of black money holders. Meanwhile, the BJP core group met this evening to decide its strategy before it consults with the allies on whether to support Mukherjee or get into the contest for the president's post. The BJP-led alliance has so far followed a wait-and-watch policy, but a decision is expected after a key meeting of allies tomorrow. Sources say that the BJP might consider backing Mukherjee, particularly since Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, seen as a rival candidate, is reportedly unwilling to run against the finance minister. But sources add that it may ask for its own person as a vice president in exchange for the supporting UPA's candidates.
Others participated. We had a detailed discussion about the emerging scenario regarding presidential elections. Our leaders, Gadkari ji, Advani ji and Sushma ji, had also had telephonic talk with the leaders and chief ministers of NDA in this regard. Tomorrow at 11 o'clock in the morning, NDA meeting has been convened in Advani ji's house. There the NDA will be taking final decision on the issue of presidential elections.
Leaders cut across party lines and pressed for unanimously electing Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee as the 13th President of India.
तो मेरे दल का पूरा समर्थन है, निर्विरोध चुना जाना चाहिए उनको। अन्य पार्टियों से अपील है कि फिर इस पद के को लेकर के कोई बात को न उठा करके अनिर्मश हो जाना चाहिए। इनका नाम अच्छी परंपरा हम सबको काम करना चाहिए। और मैं समझता हूँ कि सभी लोग इस बात पर आएंगे सर्वसम्मति चुनाव के मामले में। प्रणब बाबू को हम लोग बधाई देते हैं, तो नाता ही है।
समाजवादी पार्टी का या बहुजन समाज पार्टी का समर्थन आ चुका है। लगता यह है कि लेफ्ट के लोग भी जो बंगाल की राजनीति है उस राजनीति के चलते प्रणब का समर्थन करेंगे ही। तो मोटा मोटी ये दिखाई दे रहा है कि बहुमत जो है वो प्रणब मुखर्जी साहब के पक्ष में है। तो अकेले जो है वो अपनी पार्टी के बलबूते पर कलाम साहब को खड़ा करेंगे और कलाम साहब खड़े होंगे। कलाम साहब की भी प्रतिष्ठा है, उनकी भी इज्जत है, तो वो अपनी पूरी पूंजी जो है वो ममता बनर्जी के जिद के चलते दाव पर नहीं लगाएंगे। हमको ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि कलाम साहब जो है इस तरह की कोई गलती करेंगे उनके जैसे स्ट्रक्चर का।
नहीं, कल एनडीए की बैठक है और सब लोग मिलकर के उसमें तय करेंगे क्या करना क्या नहीं करना।
सर, आप चाहेंगे कि प्रणब मुखर्जी का समर्थन किया जाए?
नहीं, ऐसा क्यों? मीटिंग के पहले कोई विचार, कोई चीज सबके साथ बात करके बात को रखा जाएगा।
सर, जेडीयू के प्रवक्ता है शिवानंद तिवारी, उनका कहना है कि प्रणब मुखर्जी को सर्वसम्मति से चुना जाना चाहिए।
नहीं, वो उनने कहा होगा, लेकिन वो पर्सनल व्यू है उनका। एनडीए की बैठक होगी, उसमें कल बैठक होगी, उसमें बैठ के तय होगा।
I am not yet presidential. I am a nominee of the presidential election, but I have not yet filed nominations. As a nominee, yesterday I gave my reaction that I will seek support of all concerned.
प्रणब मुखर्जी एक योग्य व्यक्ति हैं, अनुभवी व्यक्ति हैं और वो सबको लेकर चलने की क्षमता रखते हैं। इसलिए समाजवादी पार्टी ने प्रणब मुखर्जी को समर्थन दिया है। राष्ट्रपति किसी दल का नहीं होता है, कोई कांग्रेस पार्टी का नहीं है मामला, ये मामला देश का है। देश का राष्ट्रपति एक काबिल है और जो उम्मीदवार और विद्वान हैं, सबको लेने की मैंने कहा क्षमता, सबको लेके चलने की क्षमता है।
A day after the UPA declared Pranab Mukherjee as its candidate for the President of India, the focus is now on the NDA, whether it will support Mukherjee or the other way round. The BJP-led alliance has so far followed a wait-and-watch policy and hasn't named any candidate yet, but a decision is expected after a key meeting of the allies tomorrow.
राजनीतिक घटनाक्रम के बाद, राजनीतिक उठापटक के बाद और सारे सस्पेंस के बाद एक उम्मीदवार घोषित किए गए हैं। मैं मानता हूं कि बीजेपी और एनडीए अब नए सिरे से इस पूरे के पूरे घटनाक्रम के बाद, इस पूरे के पूरे जो राजनीतिक रूप से इस उठापटक के बाद जो सामने तस्वीर आई है, उस तस्वीर पर चर्चा करें। कांग्रेस पार्टी का या प्रधानमंत्री जी का भारतीय जनता पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेताओं से बातचीत का।
A day after Congress President Sonia Gandhi announced Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee as the ruling alliance's choice for the coveted post, Janata Party President Subramanian Swamy said that the youth of the country wanted Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam to be the President of India.
Since he himself was not, he's never been a candidate. It was the demand of the youth of this country that he should be a candidate. So I did not ask him whether he's contesting or not contesting, or is he willing to contest and so on. But I'm in favor of a contest. And when I was arguing why he should be a candidate, the only commitment I got from him earlier was that he will not announce that he is not a candidate till I have completed the arithmetic and then come and inform him. So I told him that the arithmetic after the defection of Mulayam Singh has undergone some change.
On West Bengal Chief Minister and Trinamool Congress Chief Mamata Banerjee's rejection of Mukherjee as a presidential candidate, Swamy said that he respected Mamata Banerjee for the guts she's shown, but that he personally liked to see Pranab challenged.
But we respect Mamata, we salute her, that she has shown guts, and I think she has grown in national stature. And we certainly would like to see, I myself personally would like to see that Pranab Mukherjee is challenged, and the methods, the crude methods that Sonia Gandhi and other people have used to bring people on board to support her candidate is something that needs to be exposed.
मैं बड़ा हैरान हूं कि आप लोग बार बार कलाम साहब का नाम बदनाम करते हैं। उन्होंने तो कभी कहा ही नहीं कि वो कॉन्टेस्ट में है। लेकिन ममता बनर्जी तो कह रही हैं कि उनको चुनाव लड़ना। उन्होंने चाहे कहा हो, कलाम साहब ने कभी कहा है? बार बार हम उनका देखिए, उनकी बहुत ऊंची छवि है, सारे विश्व में लोग उनकी इज्जत करते हैं, और आई थिंक हम उनको डिमीन करते हैं और हम उनकी पोजीशन को ट्रिविलाइज करते हैं बार बार उनका नाम लेके।
Taking up the campaign for Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam online, Trinamool Congress Chief Mamta Banerjee said that her choice of the presidential candidate was the choice of millions of Indians. Debuting on the social networking website Facebook, she wrote in her first post, "I give voice to what millions of Indians want to see in a president." Stating that the will of the people is supreme in her democracy, Ms. Banerjee requested fellow citizens to petition their public representatives to stand up, support and vote for Kalam. The NCP indicated that it would take action against P.A. Sangma if he persisted with his proposal to contest the presidential election. Sangma, on the other hand, is insisting on contesting, saying that he has the support of AIADMK leader Jayalalitha and BJD chief Naveen Patnaik. He had stated that he was in the fray as a tribal candidate and not as an NCP candidate.
I don't know, my party is going to meet on 21st and my party will take an appropriate decision about that. We will request, we are confident that he will definitely listen to party. He is a senior person and he was once upon a time Speaker of the Lok Sabha, and that's why I am confident that if the party make any decision, he will respect that.
However, the Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik has said that he will back Sangma for the president.
Mr. Sangma, Shri Sangma, has been announced very succinctly and appropriately by me as the candidate for that highest post of our land, of India, as his position is so, his own position is that of a very distinguished personage. So I had announced quite clearly that he should be the best candidate from my party for the position of the President of the Republic of India. And I hold that position at this moment.
More news on the other side of a very short break. Stay with us.
Nagavam.